Here we have to calculate average watch time by genre. So we have array of object and views. So we have to use this genre information that will be inside view property, and we don't need, I think, this user information here. We need to get the output something like this: drama, that will be genre, action, that will be genre, and we have to calculate average watch time. This will be in minutes. So let's try to solve this. Let's explore steps. First step will be, we don't need this information, we need only this view, that will be views, that will be array. So we can combine all this view, this view, and this view. We can use map, we can grab that views only property and return inside new array, but that will return array of array, that will be map on map have on array, that it will implicitly push this value, so that will be array of array. So let me explain, const views is equal to user views dot map. We destructure from this array of object. Every time iterate, it will get this object that we destructure here. We need only views. If we return this, it will give array of array. So we have to flat this array of array. So we need all this genre in one array. So either we can do dot flat, and how many levels we have to flat. So level 1 will be fine for this, as you can see, or we can use directly here flat map method, it will do the same. So based on require, you can do this. So we get this whole array of object with genre property and minutes property that we need to calculate this. So done, get all views in one array, that will be done. Views array, views object, views obj in one this object in one array, that will be done. Second step, we can use reduce method here to group by every genre, group by genre, spelling wrong, group by genre. Then we can calculate here only, we can count that minutes, minutes. So at the time of grouping by genre, we do this sum also, that will be minute. Second step, let's group by genre, and we can use this array of object, that will be this, views dot reduce. Accumulate an initial object. Let's destructure that object genre. And what next? Minutes accumulator genre. We assign a key for drama. First iteration drama genre not found. Then use this 0 value, then do plus minutes, return accumulator. Okay, now let's console.log this group by genre. Let's see, we got 90. Here we no need to like calculate total, we need to calculate average. We have to divide that, like we have to count how many times this genre are appear here. We can use that, like if we have, if the value is not exist for this genre, then we can do count and sum both at the same time. Accumulator for that genre, initially object, total takes minute for first iteration, and if not have value, then also like do use count, then return that accumulator. And if this is false, like we have already value for this genre, then do dot total plus or equal to that new minutes total in that previous minute, in previous total accumulator. Similar for like total, do plus 1, not total, count do plus 1, then return accumulator. Let's see now what we can get here. So we receive 90 divided by 2, that will be 45. 160 divided by 3, I don't know, maybe this 53.3. so let's calculate that. I hope it's visible on the screen. Let's zoom little bit, and last step will be calculate average. We need total and count, group by genre. Yes, group by genre. Object dot key dot reduce. Initially object accumulator, then key, accumulator key is equal to, let's grab that this data every iteration. Let's grab this with key will be drama and action dot, what we have to calculate, total divide by count, total divide by count, and let's return accumulator. Let's see, calculate average. What will be the output? We got 45 and 53.3, so we need two decimal after dot. We can use dot to fixed if we want to show on the DOM. It will cause issue like convert into string. As you can see, it's an string, but we can't calculate this value using this string, otherwise it will give not a number if we try to do string with number. What we can do, if we want number, then we can convert this into number. Now if we check, we haven't get, because we need another bracket to convert dot to fixed to number. So now we got exactly output similar to this, like 45 and 53.3, that will be in number. So 11 minutes for this exercise. So if you are confused here, like we have to calculate total and count here only, so if you are confused, then you can like separately count this like genre, and separately count that minute for every genre, and then also you can use, we can call it like brute force method, that we don't like check for more optimization, we have to like get the output. So you can, if you understand this, then you can also use, otherwise you can do step by step, one by one. So thank you.